Welcome to another video where I am traveling and visiting Oaxaca, Mexico. Today's video will be about me traveling in one of the villages in Oaxaca and exploring three different areas while visiting this village. I was blessed to have a local that was able to transport me to San Antonio Cuajimoloyas in Oaxaca. While I was there, I was able to hike, go on a zip line, as well as experience the newly built suspension bridge. The hike that I did was the Canyon de Coyote, and it was about 3 hours long. And I thought that this hike was originally going to be like a short hike in the neighborhood in the village, but no, it actually was a pretty intense hike where you're walking through the mountains and exploring the nature. So during this hike, we had a guide that was with us along the way to make sure that we were following the correct trails. And I tell you, like, we had to do mountain climbing and just a lot of elevation walking. And so it was a great experience, great time, and just learning more about Oaxaca and some of the herbs, the leaves, and the water that grows in this region. It was quite rewarding experience and fun. So I definitely would recommend if you're interested in hiking. Continue to watch the video as you will see my commute towards the village, and you will see us bypass different cows, and then we will begin our hike passing different agave plants and seeing different water waves and plants along the way. And this was just a great opportunity for different photographs of the different views. And also, this hike was one of the easiest hike that they have in this particular village. And so of course we stuck with that one so that we can get back to the village center. Unfortunately, there wasn't a easy path to get to the zip line, so of course I had to hike up another portion of the village to get to the zip line. Once I got to that point, I was able to get on the zip line and enjoy the entire view of the village. It was awesome and rewarding, and the air and the weather was just perfect for doing the zip line that day. The Suspension Bridge was another great opportunity and activity to do while at the village. It was awesome to see how the locals came together to create and build that bridge from scratch. And so I was lucky enough to be able to experience the bridge because they just finished it right around the time or right when I came to visit. So it was awesome to check that out. I would like to give a special thanks to all the folks that made this stay very special, from the personal driver to the hike guide, zipline staff, and even the auntie that came out to cook breakfast in the morning. It was awesome. Thank you. Thank you for watching today's video of me exploring one of the villages in Oaxaca. Stay tuned for future videos and definitely watch some of my previous videos of me